In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way to buy USDT using the OKX wallet app. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a refresher, this guide will make the process easy to follow. First, open your browser and log in to your OKX account. Once you're in, go to the Buy Crypto section and choose Express Buy. This is where you can quickly purchase crypto without any complicated steps. Next, select USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Then pick the currency you'll use to pay, like USD, from the drop-down menu. You'll see the minimum and maximum amounts allowed, so just enter the amount you want to buy, and the system will show you how much USDT you'll receive in your wallet. After that, click Buy USDT. You'll be taken to the payment page. Depending on your country, you'll see different payment options. Common methods include Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and third-party systems like MoonPay. Choose the one that works best for you. Now you'll need to complete a quick verification. This could involve uploading an ID or entering your password, depending on your account settings. Once your identity is verified, finish the payment by entering your card details or completing the chosen payment method. And just like that, your USDT will appear in your OKX wallet. You're ready to start trading, sending, or holding your crypto securely. And that's how you buy USDT on OKX. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful crypto guides.